Number 16. Do a subject. It means to study a particular topic or field.
She does the subject of biology at university. She does the subject of biology at university. He's doing a subject on artificial intelligence. He's doing a subject on artificial intelligence. I decided to do a subject in literature. I decided to do a subject in literature.
Number 17. Do a talk. It means to give a short presentation or speech.
Next week, I will do a talk on safety. Next week, I will do a talk on safety. She did a talk at the workshop. She did a talk at the workshop. They're planning to do a talk on teamwork. They're planning to do a talk on teamwork.
Number 18. Do weightlifting. It means to lift weights as a form of exercise or sport.
He does weightlifting to build muscle. He does weightlifting to build muscle. They do weightlifting at the gym every morning. They do weightlifting at the gym every morning. She started doing weightlifting last year. She started doing weightlifting last year.
Number 19. Do wrestling. It means to participate in the sport of wrestling.
Many high schools offer chances to do wrestling. Many high schools offer chances to do wrestling. He does wrestling as his main sport. He does wrestling as his main sport. She went to do wrestling at the sports club. She went to do wrestling at the sports club.
Number 20. Do yoga. It means to engage in yoga for exercise and relaxation.
She does yoga to stay calm and flexible. She does yoga to stay calm and flexible. Doing yoga in the morning refreshes me. Doing yoga in the morning refreshes me. They do yoga together in the park. They do yoga together in the park.